Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to change currency in OneWin. This is very easy, but before we continue, I have something special for you. I invite you to create a professional OneWin account, and to do so you will simply click on sign up. Here you're going to enter all your information. Next you're going to click on add promo code, and here you're simply going to enter the promo code MONAS. By using this promo code you will get 100% bonus. So if you top up your account with $50, you will get $150. Now you are going to click on your menu icon, and next you are going to click on your profile. Now you are simply going to click on account management, and here you are going to find out all the options in regard to your currency. So you are simply going to click here at this bottom of add new wallet and click on currency. Now you are going to click on any of this currency including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin and much more, and you are going to click on plus, and so you create another wallet with the currency being Bitcoin. You are simply going to click on the 3 points align and click here on make it primary. So this will change your currency to Bitcoins, and it's as simple as that.